Today, the ladybug gently lands in your life. It's a small but powerful symbol of luck, joy, and divine timing. The ladybug reminds us that even the tiniest moments can hold significant meaning and that blessings often arrive when we least expect them. This beautiful messenger brings a sense of ease and lightheartedness, encouraging you to let go of worry and trust the unfolding of your path. The ladybug whispers that everything is happening as it should, and your desires are nurtured by forces greater than yourself. The ladybug also invites you to reconnect with your sense of wonder and playfulness. When was the last time you paused to admire the beauty around you? By embracing joy and curiosity, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and possibility. Today, take a moment to breathe deeply and trust that good things are on their way. Like the ladybug, be open to exploring life's wonders with grace and gratitude. The universe conspires in your favor. Allow it to surprise and delight you. The affirmation of today: I trust in the magic of life and welcome blessings with an open heart and joyful spirit.